Hey everyone, Will here, and I'm going to teach you how to draw this character I've called Captain Colour, but I want you to help me colour him in. I'll always start with a simple oval for the head, but more importantly, I'll draw these grid lines to help me figure out where to place the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the ears. And instead of drawing really detailed eyes, noses, and mouths, I can use these little shapes to help show them. We're cartooning, I'm drawing cartoons, and the whole thing about cartoons is to draw things with reductions. And what that means is to draw really simple shapes in a pleasing and awesome way to draw my hero. Little tip, I'm putting a bandana on him, so I'm going to put a little curve over the nose, because when you wrap a bandana around your face, it needs to curve up over the ridge of the nose. For the hair, I'm going to have it curl around in these little circles, peering over the top of the bandana, which will add a really nice sense of movement and momentum to our character. Keeping all that in mind, the goal is to keep things simple when we're drawing our superhero designs. I'm going to quickly show you how I drew all the rest of the character. You can pause it if you want to draw it along at your own pace, but really I wanted to show you how I approached it. The most important thing for me, just like I did with the face, was to start drawing my character with really simple shapes. I'll start with a stick figure, then I'll block out the figure with some long cylinders for the legs and arms, and of course for the torso too. And then once I have that in place, I can start designing the costume elements. I'm giving Captain Colour these large crayons and I'm decorating his costume with them as well. And the whole idea behind this character is someone to bring a lot of colour and vibrancy to the world. He wants the place to be bright and sunshiny and happy and full of energy, and that's the whole point behind it. But I really want to see how you colour him. Remember, draw it at your own pace, draw it nice and slow, start with really simple shapes, and it's been amazing to see the incredible superheroes you've designed so far. So keep it up.